Many times clients contact my office and ask about the difference between felonies and misdemeanors in New Jersey. First of all, we do not have felonies and misdemeanors in New Jersey. We have different terminology. A felony is known as an indictable offense in New Jersey. This means that for the case to move forward from a complaint to an indictment, the case has to be presented to the grand jury. So that's why it's called an indictable case. But this is the equivalent of a felony. On the other hand, misdemeanors, we don't have misdemeanors, they are known as disorderly persons offenses. Petty disorderly persons and disorderly persons are two types of misdemeanors that we have. They are the lowest level criminal offenses we have in New Jersey, and they will be prosecuted in municipal court. So, misdemeanors handled in the lower court, municipal court, they'll usually be an arrest, and you will usually be released on a summons with a court date. The only exception typically is on domestic violence offenses. On those cases, you will be arrested and there will be a warrant issued and you'll have to go to the jail. On the other hand, for indictable or felony level charges, a lot of the charges will be processed on the warrant and you will have to go to the jail. Then the judge will determine whether or not your bail should be granted and what conditions should be placed on your release. The most serious felonies we have in New Jersey is a first-degree charge. On most first-degree charges, it's 10 to 20 years in jail. There are certain exceptions to those rules, like kidnapping, carjacking. Some of them are enhanced to 30 years, but the basic range on a first degree is 10 to 20 years. On a second-degree charge, which is the second most serious indictable felony type crime we have in New Jersey, you're facing 5 to 10 years in prison. On a third-degree felony, you're facing 3 to 5 years in prison with a presumption of no jail time for first-time offenders. This is a very important distinction. First-degree and second-degree charges, it is presumed that you will be sentenced to prison even if you have no prior record. Third-degree and fourth-degree felonies, lower-level felonies, it is presumed that you will be sentenced not to jail, but to probation if this is your first-time felony conviction. Lastly, fourth-degree felonies, lowest level felony we have in New Jersey, you're facing up to 18 months in prison. Disorderly persons offenses, that's next. That's a misdemeanor. You're typically facing a $1,000 fine and up to 6 months in the county jail. And lastly, petty disorderly persons offenses, $500 fine, 30 days in the county jail. If you have additional questions or need more information, contact my office anytime for a free consultation.